I think when you're an actor, you're looking out, that, not only an actor, I think people from any profession, they want their work to be noticed, appreciated, and the people who do that and who say that they love you, that love is basically what a fan is. So, fan is nothing but love. So, yeah, that's what you guys are. My perfect birthday. So, since the last 2 years, I've been celebrating my birthday on the set or with fans, opening fan gifts. So that's really made my birthday special because I never celebrate my birthday in this style and this fashion before. So now birthday really means I look forward to my fans and people who love me. I look forward to their messages and yeah, just connecting with them. That's what birthday means actually. I wish I could speak Turkish right now because I have a lot of fans from Turkey writing to me and I have to use Google Translate in order to, copy their message from Turkish to English, and then I write in English and I then translate it into Turkish and message them. So yeah, and also Indonesian. I wish I could speak in Indonesian because I have a lot of fans from there too now. And other languages in India are pretty easy. I know Tamil, Telugu, Kannada to an extent. So Gujarati I can understand and maybe make a fool of myself but speak Bengali I can understand. So yeah, these international languages I wish I could understand and speak. No, I wouldn't go to the past because I've already lived it. I would definitely want to go in the future and see what's in store for me. And if there is any scope for improvement, probably I would work upon it. Yeah. How would my best friend describe me? I think people describe me as somebody who is gentle and somebody who is trustworthy, I guess. And that's the two essences, I think, of friendship. The first essence is trust. So that's how they normally end up. See, at the moment I don't think I want to change anything about myself. Maybe I want to just, recently I've realized that we just complicate ourselves a little too much and think about things a little too much, and it really helps if you just let go of a lot of preconceived notions that you have in your head and mind about people, about life, about how would somebody react to something. I think it's just also preconceived that I've realized that it's best to just open up and just live life in the most beautiful manner possible. So that's what I learned. Craziest thing I've done? Crazy in one sense. I mean, I'm not really a mastikoor. I'm not really somebody who's up to mischief all the time. I'm not that kind of a person. But
Most wildest thing you could have done?
when I was shooting for Beintaha, I did a lot of crazy stuff. Like there was a scene which I required to climb a ladder, and the ladder was almost, I think, 80 feet high, and I climbed it without any help or any harness. So, and then there was a scene when I had to fall into the swimming pool with Zain, and I didn't know how to swim, and I had to do it. I mean, we both just fall together, and oh my god, I don't know swimming. I was scared, but I did it. There were a lot of stunts in Beintaha which I did, which were pretty crazy. What else? No, I don't even think that's super crazy. Not that I can remember, but I'm sure there are a lot of stuff, at least some. I am most grateful for everything, actually. Just about everything that life has given me. And trust me when I say this, that gratitude is the biggest mantra in life. And it's very powerful, and once you start believing in gratitude and following gratitude, your life will change. Hi Anis, how are you? Okay, my dream role which I want to portray in the future, maybe some role of a princess, because I would like to see myself in that attire and in that grandeur and in that kind of atmosphere. So oh, I feel overwhelmed because people put so much effort and spend so much of their time just to show you and just to get your attention there and to tell you that they love you. So it feels just blessed and amazing. I have left a lot of Bollywood offers and joined television, so that's not something that I aspire, that I want to become a Bollywood actress. If I aspired that, then I would have been one long back. Yes. If I was not an actress, not a singer, not a journalist, what my profession would have been? Maybe I would be in advertising, because I'm very creative and my dad has an ad agency, so yes, I'm inclined towards that field. I really want to come to Indonesia, but what happens is that the channel has to invite actors, and unless that doesn't happen, it's difficult to do the fan interaction that normally takes place. So I'm waiting to come to Indonesia, but I think it's going to take time, and that's what destiny has said. Hi Pritika, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you and may all your wishes be successful. May you achieve a lot more in life. Keep smiling, shining and rising, and love you. Hugs and kisses from UK. Sylvia, hi Sylvia, how are you? You sent me a lot of gifts when I was in UK, I remember. And then there's Liza from Indonesia. She says, oh, there's a question actually. She says, Malika fans Pritika Rao, but first I want to say happy birthday Malika fans, thank you so much. And perhaps this is an opportunity for us to ask and maybe you can answer it. What if there are Bain Dahat 2 and you still want to take the character Alia paired with Harshad and Sen? If there is Bain Dahat 2 and if it happens, then definitely both of us would love to be a part of it. But I don't think Bain Dahat will happen because it was a finite story. It was meant to be a one-year story and that was it. No, I would definitely be an artist because I think I can do more justice to being an artist than a actor.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song? I have a lot of favorites, but Atif has a lot of these lovely romantic songs. All of them are my favorite. And there's this one song he sings, Aao Madine Chale, which I really like. YouTube videos, you know it guys, I keep saying that all the time.
Please tell us when you are coming back on screen. We have been waiting for so long.
I myself don't know when I'm coming back on screen because you know what's been happening with me. So let's hope it happens fast.
Happy birthday, Atif. May Allah bless you and protect you. Amin.
Thank you, Rami. Oh my God. I don't know how to say it, but is it We Cinta Indonesia? Is that?
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Thank you so much. We love you from Indonesia.
Yeah, I love you too. Indonesians are so sweet and cute. Thank you so much. That is a lovely, lovely bouquet. Thank you so much.
According to you, the best looking actor in Bollywood?
Best looking actor in Bollywood? Okay, I think right now it's a tie between Varun Dhawan and Siddharth Malhotra.
What does love mean to you?
Wow. Okay. I think anything that's genuine, a genuine emotion and genuine feeling for someone is that's what love is all about.
What turns you off in a guy?
In a guy,
Yeah.
somebody who is like flamboyant and trying to boast and talk big things all the time, basically everything fake. That kind of puts me off.
Which is your most best vacation to date?
The US trip, because I traveled almost a lot of US, the West Coast, right from California to Arizona, and saw everything right from Las Vegas, Grand Canyon, San Jose, and San Diego, Irvine. So I had like, and then also I've been to East Coast, New York. So New York, Orlando, and Denver. So my best trips have been in US. But I just cannot forget my trip in London, because London was much more beautiful than what I expected it to be.
Like, as a journalist, what do you feel about the pride today?
About
The journalist pride.
the journalist tribe, I think it's more easy for me to connect with journalists today, especially because I've gone through the same process. So I don't have any, preconceived inhibitions or some kind of thing that holds me back. I'm very open with journalists, and that's the best part, I think.
Yeah. Would you be kind of open to a bit bold stuff on web series?
Would I be open to web series?
Yeah.
Of course I would.
No, any bold stuff on web series.
Would I be open to bold stuff on web series? No.
That's right.
I've never been open to bold stuff for Bollywood. Why
Okay.
would I be open to bold stuff on web series?
Yeah, and a first crush.
My first crush, Sonu Nigam. I think I was such a kid when I had a crush on Sonu Nigam.
And your first guy, boyfriend.
My first. You guys will laugh if I tell you I've never dated.
Come on.
That's true. That's true. I've had a lot of guys as my friends always, but I've never really dated a guy. Basically because I've always been protecting myself, like right since I was a kid. My sister was famous and I was very careful. I used to be very protective. Basically, I would, I had these things all around me. So yeah, I actually have never dated, and people don't believe that, but that is true.
My sister had a 7-year relationship finally because she committed to marriage. So love can wait so long according to you?
Why not? I think my sister knew it from day one, and the guy knew it from day one that they wanted to marry each other. So it is, I think it's destiny. Yeah.
Cool, yeah.
Rapid fire.